Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add another account in WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to add another account to your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to open up your WhatsApp, then tap on your settings option in the bottom right corner, and here you will get your profile. But unfortunately, there is no any official way to add another account in your WhatsApp, but don't worry, you can easily use two accounts on your one phone. So let's see how. You just have to go back, open up your app store, and here go for search, and you just have to search for WhatsApp. And here you can see that there's a WhatsApp messenger which we have installed and we are using, but there's an official WhatsApp app again, and the second official WhatsApp app, WhatsApp Business. You must have to install this app. This is with 4.7 ratings, so this might be compatible for your phone. You can easily get it from here. You just have to install this app, and once you have installed, you can easily use two WhatsApp's accounts on your one phone. So that's how you can easily add another account in your WhatsApp in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.